I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. We got a lot to talk about. We had a gem pick banger that banged 60%, and then it got hacked. It got hacked, and it is an insurance coin. It's supposed to insure coins. And so we're going to get all into that. I'm going to explain what they're talking about and what has happened in the past with coins. Very similar, right? Cover was one of them where they were designed to protect DeFi coins and essentially crypto insurance. And so very important to pay attention to this video to the end, especially if you are in Uno. So Bitcoin 1 hour chart. I don't like the bull trap. That should have been an exit idea. You did get a huge pullback off that, and then it just rolled over. And we talked about if you lose this level, you're coming down to here. Well, we're not there. We didn't get there. We got the 35,000, not 34,750. Okay, I was off $250. Now, what you do not want to see with Bitcoin is some type of, rising channel, and this is the top. Because if this is the top, then, you could see a move a lot lower down to the bottom of the trend line. So we're keeping a close eye on this lower trend line right here for Bitcoin. Just keep holding it. It's working higher. There's a lot of demand because you've got all the Bitcoin spot ETFs, right? And just that hype factor. If those continue to get denied, obviously not amazing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. One thing we do well in the trading group is we nail banger after banger. Like on this Bitcoin move, on this Bitcoin move higher right here, Bitcoin move higher from 35,000 to almost 36,000. We nailed tons of picks, right? Here's XRP, 88%, Dione, 170%, ACH at 40%, 48%, 67%, 67, 16, 22, 27, 28, 29, right? Matic is killing it. Matic saved my rear end because I did take a hit on Uno, and that wasn't amazing. But Matic 83%, and it's been parabolic. You see CRV 41%. If you want to ride the bull run with us and you want to nail all these bangers and you want to make sure you're in the right coins and you don't want to guess and you want a team to direct you on how to make the most money in this market, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Right now, I'm doing this 2 more days. It's $2 a day, right? You pay for the year, you get a month free, right? $2 a day, a month free. Got to sign up for the year, right? Ride the bull market with us. If you want to sign up with a leverage group where you make, 9x profits, 7x profits, 5x profits, 3x profits, real quick money, real quick money, 446%, you can do that too. That's on sale as well, right? So again, just shoot me an email. We'll get you in the group. Bitcoin pullbacks happen. We've had crazy trading. I mean, I think bangers on the channel. We were up about, I think 6 of 8 of the posted bangers were just up only, and it was crazy, like small cap mania, and it was great. But Bitcoin ruins the party. Now, this was Uno, and we gave it to you guys. I was looking for a 60% gain. I got the 60% gain. I left money in it. I said, hey, this is going to be long-term hold, right? Moonbag pick, long-term hold. And I thought I might get this pullback to here to add more. And this thing just dumped, and I'll show you why. Because Uno was hacked, and you can see it's down 95% from its all-time high, right? And this is a coin where it's an insurance coin, right? So this is Mando CT, right? He said the last few days have been difficult, especially now with the Uno hack that happened last night. He's working with the team. He stands by them. He was on calls with the CEO last night, and the CEO of Uno is very clear that a compensation plan will go live on the DAO, right? So people who lost money in the pools will be reimbursed. This is what happens when they fight scammers and they become a target. They stand up for the people, right? And so one thing I need to show you guys is, again, 6 minutes into it, and I had just woken up. We've noticed a security incident. We're working on it. Once we have the facts, we're going to let you know. And then, hey, we've been compromised. We lost 32.4 million Uno, 127,000 USDC, 59,000 USDT, 18,000 ETH has been misplaced, right? So they got in touch with MEXC, Gate.io, and KuCoin really quick. They're going to work on recovery on an exchange level, and they're an insurance coin, right? So this has to happen. Now, let me show you this. This is Cover. In 2021, we had Cover, right? It was hacked for $4 million. You saw a 67% drop. What do we see out of Uno? About 70% drop, right? So Cover Protocol, they were attacked, and the hacker stole the funds. Actually gave it back. They couldn't do anything with it. They gave it back. And then you saw a almost 588% run up. And then over time, the coin just slowly faded away because that's what coins do. And now it's at like $5, right? So this is where I talk to you guys about, hey, the hype factor rally on these new coins is where to be in the game, right? This is, look at this. This is way back from 2021, right? This was the hack of Cover, and this was a rounded bottom that paid the bills. We made 97% profits on that. If you would have held it, you would have made 588% profits, right? And I saw 3 or 4. Like, you can go through our Telegram and our group, and you can see all the winners, right? You can see all the bangers. And we nailed Cover, because what happens is people count these coins out and then they pull things together and they recover. As long as it's not a rug pull from the team and they don't disappear, then these coins, like Ethereum Classic, had a 51% attack, right? And it bounced right back, right? There's so many there's so many coins that just bounce back from these hacks, and everybody counts them out, but people buy at huge discounts. And so that's what's happening with Uno. People are buying low and they're looking for it to, they're an insurance coin. They're going to work it out. So another idea is, there was EasyFi. This is in 2021, right? EasyFi, they were hacked, and there was all these damages, and they lost a bunch of money, and Easy BTC just got nuked. And I said, hey, remember when Cover was exploited? Eventually the price recovered after the team swapped the old coins, the hacked coins, for new ones. And that's another idea. If you get hacked, you can just fork the coin and create new ones, and then all the other coins that got stolen are useless. Now the problem is, the coins that got stolen, now USDT, in a second they'll freeze it, right? I'm not sure about USDC, but USDT, they'll freeze it in a second. Uno, they could fork the coin, right? USDC, probably. ETH, no. But there's things that can happen quickly, and you got all these exchanges, KuCoin, Gate.io, and MEXC, that are freezing the funds, and they're stuck, right? there's a Ethereum Binance Smart Chain bridge, and that was also disabled. So you got a bunch of funds that were stolen and they're stuck. So will we see an amazing recovery out of Uno? And it's Bitcoin pulling back. This does not help anything, right? This does not help anything. This thing, we talked about a pullback down here. This does not help Uno bounce, right? I mean, yeah, you had this little bounce and Uno had a bounce, but it wasn't, you know, anywhere near what it could be, right? But now people are worried, okay, is Bitcoin going to come down to the bottom of the range at 30,000 or 32,000, right? Where, I mean, it would be amazing to get a retest, because people miss this move. People miss this Bitcoin move right here. They miss this, and there's going to be a bunch of buyers sitting right here at about 31,800. So if you did get that pullback, that's a great time to load altcoins. You don't obviously want to lose this rising channel, otherwise Bitcoin much lower prices. The most important thing is I can teach you guys all this, how to be successful, how if you're in a coin and you're holding coins, and I never understood this, why people just sit there and hold coins when the coins get nuked. That's the best time to buy. Add to your bag. And then when they recover those coins and you make back your losses, right? Just think about this. Watch. Just think about this. Let's say you're holding Bitcoin, right? You're holding Bitcoin, you buy it down here, right? You work up here, work higher, and then Bitcoin gets nuked. Well, if you load your Bitcoin here, and by the time it gets to here, you're at break even, all this is profit, right? You're in, and all you do, you sell it, and you're in 20% profit. And that's how you want to hold coins, do it, right? You want to trade coins, do it. But if you're holding coins, you have to make plays on these big pullbacks. Whenever there's big pullbacks on altcoins, you've got to make these moves. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.